Alright, hello everybody. Welcome back to another stream. We're gonna be doing what the title says. We're going to be making the health system a bit better. So we're gonna be completely just invalidating that. We should probably also do property health and 2 so that you can't lose health. Do we need source code? No, this will be completely Lua. Yeah. So I'm gonna be making 2 health bars, one for the enemy, one for boyfriend. And it's gonna be fun. What's wrong with the old one? Nothing's wrong with the old one. It's just not the biggest fan of it, and I just want to have a bit of fun. Couldn't think of anything else to do today. Is it like a health drain script? Oh no. It's a complete health rework. Will you release the code when you finish? Maybe. Depends on how it turns out. So you should not be able to die right now, because obviously we want that to only happen when our health goes to 0. So here is where our first problem comes in. We actually have no answer to at the moment. We're gonna have to figure that out on stream. So on Lua, you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but I do not believe there's any way to make a health bar in Lua, a bar of any kind, because on Source, on Hexflixel, you can do a Flix bar, but on Lua there's no built-in solution to that. So we can make it super hard-coded, super annoying to work with, or we can try and figure out a soft-coded solution where it's a bit easier to work with. So what I'm thinking we do is let's do a function on create. If you guys have been watching my Lua Essential series, just my beginner's tutorial, you guys would know you usually want a function on create and a function on update and stuff like that. So what we're gonna want to do is if we wanted to, we could make it just text on screen. Now, I don't think that's gonna look very good though. So let's just do variable. Let's try BF health can be equal to 50. Dad health can be equal to 50. And we're going to go ahead and also set up a function on note miss. Let me make sure that's all right by checking the documentation. Okay, let's do I think it's actually on miss. Or note miss. Let me check. There we go. Yep. So on no miss, BF health -5, let's say. So eventually this will kill you, obviously, and eventually we'll make this system actually have a bit more of a fun section to it, but right now we just want to get a working system in with a health bar and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and let's try out the whole text thing. Let's see what happens if we just make it text. We will try to figure out a more long-term solution, but for now, going to do BF health display, the text of BF health, the width of 500, let's say, doesn't really matter. The X of maybe 700, the Y of 450, let's say, maybe just 400, and then on update, set text string, we're gonna do BF health display, and we're gonna do BF health. So now that should display as health, so when we miss it should go down. Is there a way to load a song with Lua? You can do load song and then song name. I don't think we had our Lua text. Hold on. Okay, so there we can see 50 and it goes down. So I think we're going to set it to is it a random int? I want to say it's random int. You guys might have to help me on this one. I don't do a lot of random stuff. Random int. One through 3. And we're also gonna make this we're gonna go into Poppy Book 6 well. Oh, okay. Let me quickly go find this. Hold on. Looking, and then I found something. Ah, math.random. It's math.random. There we go. Now it sets it to a random amount of health. So it does, let me show you guys. So if I restart the song, that is setting it to a random number, right? That's not just 3 every time, right? I think that might be 3 every time. 3. Yeah, we might need to... Hold on. Let me look into that script a tiny bit more. Sorry for making you guys wait on a black screen, but I need to use a script I can't show. Okay, I might have done it this time. So, okay, yeah, now it should be completely random. So that one ended up on 25. This one ended up on 27. Delete that. So this is a good start. Let's set the text size. Set text size. DF health display. I'm thinking 50 maybe. I think we're going to do something more like 100. Also, move the position down a bit. All right, we'll refine that a bit later. But right now, we just need to get the mechanics and stuff in. So I'm thinking, obviously, when you function good no hit. If health should be equal to BF health plus math.random 1 through 3. There you go. So it drains, it hits. Okay. So that's the very much basics of it. Let me turn down the music. I can't really think. So now we need to make the health system good. Well, I guess we should probably actually add the dad's display too. Hold on. And then we're gonna 50. Oh. Did I changed the width, didn't I? Yeah. So I think dad should do the same thing as boyfriend. Let's see if there's actually a function for an enemy hitting a note. Yep. Function on. I don't know how to spell opponent for some reason. That's bad. Okay, so dad health should be equal to dad health minus or plus math.random 13. All right, so now we should both be able to increase in health. You typed bad instead of dad. Oh. Well, thanks for pointing that out. It might be me. I don't know. Ooh. What the? Oh, I typed bad 2 times. Wow. Wow, he got more lucky than me. I will catch up with him. Hold on. I can do it. I cannot do that. Let me see. So, I think this is a good start, but we need to think 50 then. Yeah, we should only make him be able to go up to 50, so. There we go. So. But I should be able to gain it now if I go under. Anyway, yeah, I am very sorry about any lag or anything. I do not live in a place with good internet. It's just, kind of sucks, but, you know. So, we need to wait for the dad to lose health, and we need a reason for the dad to lose health. So what I want to do is I want to I haven't really planned this out too much, but I think we're going to go for a bit of an attack system where you want to get the dad's health somewhere. So let's say this. You want to attack the dad, you want to get him down to 0 health before the end of the song. But obviously, he's struggling his hitting notes and all. Let's do function on dad hit. How about this actually? Let's not make the dad regenerate health. I think that sounds a bit bad, and we'll just set it to 200, let's say. Like a bit of a boss. We'll probably have it set like song specific on what it would be, but you know. So we're gonna do a custom function on dad hit. So I think the dad will also attack. So we're gonna want a function which is function on BF hit. So let's say on dad hit, it will dad health equal to dad health minus, you know what, just for a bit of customization, we're gonna set BF damage to minus BF damage plus okay, so it's boyfriend damage, and then it can, wow, those are some crazy dogs. So it's boyfriend damage plus 1 to 3. So that's the dad hit function. And then BF health be equal to BF health minus dad damage, which we'll add in a bit, plus same thing as last time. So if we add the dad damage, set equal to 3 to start. So actually, I'm not sure why I did that. We should probably just actually make it so you can trigger these functions. So on update, if, hold on, I think there's actually a function for this. No, maybe not. Let me check. Script API. General functions. Okay, key just pressed. If key just pressed, then if it's space, it should let's see. We will, for now, we're going to just do on dad hit. We are going to put some parameters and cooldowns and stuff like that. But for now, we're just going to make it hit the dad every time you press space. So obviously, this is not fun gameplay, as you could guess, probably. So we're going to have to add, like, strategy to it and stuff, instead of just spamming space. Now, hold on. I have a lot of pings on Discord. I need to move that over to my second monitor. Never mind. They're useless pings. Okay, so if we do on dad hit, we're actually going to want a few more variables. Hold on. We're going to want BF cooldown equal to 0. So let's say function on. I need to be on beat hit. BF cooldown -1. Oh, equals minus equals 1. Ah, whatever. Equals BF cooldown -1. So should also set BF cooldown equal to 16. So it will take 16 beats to get back to able to hit it again. BF cooldown is greater than 0. Well, no, it's under 0. Or under 1, I guess. Okay, let's see what happens here. So yeah, now I'm spamming space. There's absolutely nothing to it. Can't hit it. This might be. I think the beat hit. I think the beat hit isn't working. No, that should be working. So if we that's actually weird. What if I do one step hit? So that would mean once per section, which is way too much, but oh, that actually worked. Okay, so what if maybe I was making the cooldown way too long? Because it's 4 beats per section, I think. Okay, so it should be basically every 2 sections. Yeah. There we go. We're on a bit of strategy. I don't think I want to do opponent health drain when notice hit, because I just feel like that's gonna end up being like the exact same as the normal FNF health system. I'm not exactly sure, but well, let's see. So not sure what to do next. I think we could add a bit of strategy to it. So how about this? This could be cool. So on beat hit. So we could also set a perfect hit. We're going to do perfect hit. Should be equal to 1. And then we're going to also start a timer. So let me look for twins and timers. Let me just copy it from the psych GitHub. Run timer. Perfect hit. The time will be 0.2. Loops 1, and then function. What is it called? On timer completed. On timer completed. We can end. Let's actually do tag. Tag is equal to perfect hit. Then it should. Then it should set perfect hit to 0. So what this is going to do is, hold on, my dogs are going absolutely crazy and I have no idea why. So if we hit it in 0.2 seconds after a beat is hit, we can get a perfect hit, which I think on BF hit, if perfect hit is equal to 1, then we will set the BF cooldown equal to BF cooldown -4. So you just get your cooldown down by a bunch if you get a perfect hit. So I think this should all work. Relax. Probably turn on volume for this because it does require perfect hits. So according to the beat.
3, 2, 1, go!
I have no idea why I couldn't hit there. That's not working. Okay. Let's see. I can't just. Why can I not just attack?
1, go!
I have no idea what I changed to mess that up, actually. How about this? If I just remove that, actually. Let's see what happens.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, so I can attack. I can attack again. Okay, so let's say if perfect hit is equal to 0, then it will set it to the normal countdown of 8. But if perfect hit is of 1, it only sets it to 4. I think that's fair. So can you actually hear when it hits a beat? Like, you can kind of guess, though. Yeah, so if I should probably play a sound when beat is hit if that's gonna be something in it. Play sound. I don't know. Assets, sounds. I have no idea what that is, but okay. So there should be a very subtle sound. Subtle. What? So let's just do click text for now. We're gonna have to make our own song or our own sound if I were to guess, but
3, 2, 1, go!
oh, I think that actually worked. Yeah, it probably worked. Let's quickly make a new sound in FL Studio for it. It should probably be like a mix of a hit and a clap, maybe. I don't know. The clap is a bit too disturbing, I think. Oh yeah, I think that's a pretty good sound. Let me export it real quick. Don't want to leak any files, so I'm gonna turn the thing off. We're going to do beat hit, beat hit.
3, 2, 1, go!
I can't tell if that worked. Oh, I put that in the normal sounds folder. Hold on. Spike engine mods sounds. Boom. Now that should be somewhat noticeable. Not too noticeable. It's noticeable and very annoying, to be honest. Hold on. Let's see.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hmm. And how do you guys think that sounds? I think it does sound a bit annoying. Let me do a bit of I'll just destroy that. I am aware that you cannot see. That is the point, because I don't want my information leaking, unfortunately, for you guys.
Three, two, one, go!
Okay, so I think this whole perfect hit thing is not working out. Unfortunate, but you know.
Three, two, one, go!
So I'm not sure what I can do to add more strategy to this. Probably could have done some streaming, some planning before stream. I'm not exactly sure. So let me check, son. I hear. What we're gonna do is we're actually going to change the cooldown every 2 beats. So what we're gonna do instead, though, is you also do a Strum disable. So that just means you can't hit notes. Will it be public? Maybe. We'll have to see. But let me see. Can I even stop people from hitting notes? So how about this? Good note hit, then let's check if Strum disable is equal to false. Then it'll do that. But if Strum disable is equal to true, then it will trigger an miss, I think. Let's see if that works. What is the next playing viewers mods plan to release? I have no idea, to be honest. My internet's just been like really terrible, especially lately, so it takes me like 20 minutes to download a mod. Can you code something like the hotline 04 042 score system. I've never played that mod.
2, 1.
I'm sorry. So can I, if I do this, okay, so it's not actually making the note miss. I could do a special note type maybe. Not sure. Probably a special note, I guess. But I guess we can make that later. So let's actually add that note type now. Let me look for the example note type. Let me make that into new help note. It causes or miss. Let's do false. Also, we just want to code this like a normal thing, so let's just say minus 0.1 and well, I guess this doesn't really matter because it's just going to ignore the normal health, so let me think. So what we want to do is oh, how about this? Let's try just if Strum disable is equal to false or equal to true, then it causes miss true.
3, 2, 1. Go!
There we go. So that's pretty simple. That just makes all the, so we don't even need a custom note for that. Simple. So I think that should work pretty well, and we should also start timer with the tag of from re-enable and make it take 2 seconds. function timer completed tag um if tag is equal to Strum re-enable, then it should set Strum disable equal to false. And then also, no, let's see if that just works by itself.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, but now, no, so we're gonna have to do this, I'm guessing. But let's also make sure that is what's called on timer completed. Okay, yeah, that should.
3, 2, 1, go!
But now, it's a bit confusing. This debug. This is working right.
3, 2, 1, go!
Am I starting the timer wrong? Wait, did I just start timer instead of run timer? Oh. Well, that would be why.
Three, two, one, go!
There you go. So that should generally work, yeah. Let's see, how long have I been streaming? I started streaming quite a while ago, I think. Okay, I started streaming an hour ago. Almost, so I think we're gonna do a bit more work, maybe. Or maybe I'm just gonna do some polish and playing animations and stuff. Speaking of that, is there a built-in animation for Psych Engine Boyfriend firm hidden? No, it needs to be images. No, that needs to be characters. bf.json. Let's see. Okay. I'm not sure if to use. I'm thinking. I go here. Okay, so I need to do attack. So if we do play animation, BF attack. Actually, it might just be play anim. Let me just check the Lua. General functions. Character play anim. And it needs to be boyfriend for some reason. And then it should be forced.
Three, two, one, go.
So the animation does seem to be a bit broken. And also the method we're using for disabling the strums is not ideal. But yeah. We might just tween it all the way up and super far up so you can never actually guess where it would be. I'm not sure. So yeah, I think that's what we're going to be doing for this stream. All we're going to be doing for this stream. It did not perform very well, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be making another. But if you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. We're almost to 5,000 subscribers. And yeah, I think that's all for today. Bye.